Hi, boys and girls. On Friday, we did a quiz on fractions on our blog to see where everybody stood and to make sure that we have some ideas of what we need to focus on when we're studying and what we need to look at. So I'm going to show you the answers from that quiz, and hopefully this will help you guide your studying. So the first question that was asked was, which of these pie charts show equivalent fractions? We have an orange one, a yellow one, a blue one, and a green one. And you were given different options. If I look at the blue and yellow one, I see that those are not equivalent. The colored spaces do not occupy the same amount of space. The orange and yellow as well. If I look at the orange and green one, the next answer, I see that even though these circles are divided into different number of parts, this one is divided into thirds, this one is divided into sixths, I see that the shaded part occupies the same amount of space. So the correct answer to that question was orange and green are equivalent. The next question was, which fractions are equivalent to 1/3? In this question, some of you selected 3/9 and 2/6, and some of you selected only one of those. Any one of those would work, but really, this is the key here. This S in the brackets shows that there could be more than one answer. So I was really looking for you to choose both of these. 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6, and it's equivalent to 3/9. If you can picture our circles from before, one is divided into thirds, another is divided into sixths, and another is divided into ninths, but the shaded parts would stay the same. Try it on a piece of paper using the same size circle and you'll see. In the next question, you had to show, I'm not sure why the question isn't appearing here, but you had to show which fractions below are equivalent to 2/4. Again, in this question, the correct answer that I was looking for was 6/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12. Some of you selected 6/12, some of you selected 1/2. All of those fractions, including 2/4, are equivalent. So if you selected one of those, that would be correct. 1/6 does not work. 2/4 is not equivalent to 1/6. So if I divided this group into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1/6 is not equivalent to 2/4. The last one, or the second to last one rather, how many thirds are in the picture below? Well, if I look at my whole, I see it's divided into 3 pieces, which means it's divided into thirds. So I count each third. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, and 10/3. So the answer here was 10. What is 2/5 of 15? Well, if I divide this picture into 5 groups, because I'm always looking at my denominator, I can see that in 2/5 there are 6 circles. So the answer was 6. Tomorrow, we're going to go into groups to go through different activities to help us understand certain questions that we got wrong. I hope this helped. Good luck.